Hello everyone. Gonna do a small quick unboxing with the Google Home Mini. I got it for free. It's brand new. I just unwrapped it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see here. Uh, we got a little pull tab here. Alright, so it comes and it looks kind of like that. I got the charcoal version, or the charcoal color. And looks like it's got some nice protection up here, up top. That way it can protect it from moving around. So this is the Google Home Mini. I kind of wish it was the Nest, but it's not. So I'll set that aside. Looks like we've got a little tab to easily take that out. Alright. So we got a get started guide here. Looks like we've got the US. It's a micro USB. Alright, good deal. And I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. So that's all you get in the box. Now on the Google Home Mini here, on the bottom it's got this kind of orange rubberized texture. That way when it sits on something, it won't move around. It'll be nice and snug against the surface. This prevents it from moving or being knocked, around or whatever. Let's see. Looks like we have a mute switch. So if you want to mute Google and prevent Google from listening, then you can switch that on. And then we've got the micro USB kind of little port there. There's also some capacitive touch things up here. You can touch in the middle, I believe, to pause or play, and touch the sides to turn the volume up or down. So it's pretty nice. I got it for free through Spotify. They sent me an offer through my email. So if you guys want a full review on how it works and kind of like, I guess, if I like it, what some things that you can do with this, please let me know in the comments below. I need to get a tripod so that way I can actually use both hands when I'm unboxing. So I'm going to try to get one of those soon. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more unboxings. And take care, everyone. And, oh, by the way, happy holidays.